Hi guys, I'm Raven, a mental health enthusiast, and welcome to day 5 of our 7-day journaling challenge. You guys, we are doing so good. We're doing so good. We're exploring, we're learning about ourselves. You're killing it, you're killing it, you're killing it, and welcome to day 5. Today, our goal is to shower ourselves with love. I'm so excited about this journal prompt because I want you to feel love. That's always my goal. I just want you to feel loved. I want you to be happy. I want you to live your best life. I just do like, oh, I want it so badly for you, okay? So this is what we're gonna do today. Here's today's journaling prompt. I want you to write down 25 things that you love about yourself. Now, you can go for as long as you possibly can, but please, I want you to do minimum 25 because surprisingly, this can be difficult, but I want you to dig deep because I want you to realize and recognize that you are worthy, you are special, you have something to offer, okay? You are lovable, you're beautiful, you're unique. Are you kidding me? And I want you to shower yourself. I'll start. You popping. You popping. That's it. That's what I got. You popping. Now, I challenge you to also write down why. So, write 25 things that you love about yourself, and then I want you to go and I want you to write out why you love those things about yourself. Challenge yourself. Push yourself. Write out why you love those things. Okay? That's it. That's our journaling prompt for today. You guys, we're doing so freaking good. Like literally, we're done with day 5 now. You're killing it. You're killing it. You're killing it. Leave a like if you're feeling this journaling challenge. Leave a like. Leave a comment. Let me know how you did on your list of 25 or more. Let me know how you did in the comment section down below. Let's talk about it. All of us, let's talk about it. Let's talk about it, okay? And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. July day one. Okay? I'll see you tomorrow in day 6 of our 7-day journaling challenge. I love you so much. Bye.